How to see post insights on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to see post insights on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if not, then please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So assuming now that you have updated your Instagram app, you may now open it, and then what you're going to do is to turn or switch your account into a business account or a professional account. So go ahead on your profile found on the lower right corner and then go to these three lines found on the upper right corner. Go to settings and then um search for switch account type. So click on it and then you should choose switch to business account or professional account since the personal account doesn't have this option. So once you click on the business account, then you might need to click or choose a branding or a category. So you just simply follow the steps needed and then you may go back to your profile once you have switched your account. For example, I want to see the insights of this specific post. You may see this View Insights button found on the lower left corner of that post, and then wait for it to load. And right here, you may see the number of your likes, comments, sent or shared, and a bookmark right here. You may also see the overview right here, as well as the reach, the impressions, engagement, and profile activity. So that's it. That's how you can see post insights on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.